High in the mountains of Central and South Asia are ghost walks. The snow leopard, also known as the ghost of the mountains, makes its home in these challenging landscapes. These majestic creatures inhabit some of the highest and most remote regions on Earth. The snow leopard's range stretches across 12 countries. Their territory includes the Himalayas, Altai, Tian Shan and Pamir Mountains. These areas are known for their extreme altitudes, frigid temperatures and rugged terrain. Snow leopards are perfectly adapted to this environment. They thrive at elevations up to 18,000 feet where the air is thin and the conditions are harsh. Their powerful bodies and remarkable camouflage allow them to navigate this challenging world with ease. These elusive creatures are rarely seen by human eyes. Their secretive nature and ability to blend seamlessly into their surroundings have earned them their ghostly nickname. The snow leopard is a master of its environment. Every aspect of its anatomy is designed for survival in the high mountains. Their thick fur is one of their most distinctive features. This fur is not only warm but also provides excellent camouflage. The coat is a smoky grey colour with dark spots and rosettes which blend perfectly with the rocks and snow. This camouflage helps them to ambush prey and avoid detection by predators. Snow leopards have powerful legs and a flexible spine, allowing them to leap incredible distances. They can jump up to 50 feet horizontally and 20 feet vertically. This agility is essential for hunting and navigating the steep, rocky terrain. Their tails are exceptionally long, which helps with balance. The tail also acts as a counterbalance when they are leaping and climbing. In the frigid temperatures, they can wrap their thick tails around themselves for warmth. Snow leopards are apex predators, meaning they sit at the top of the food chain, commanding their environment with a presence that is both awe-inspiring and vital. They play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of their high-altitude ecosystems, which are some of the most fragile and unique environments on Earth. As keystone species, their presence has a ripple effect on the entire ecosystem, influencing the population and health of various other species. Their primary prey consists of wild sheep and goats, such as blue sheep, argali and ibex, which are crucial for the ecological balance of these high-altitude regions. They also hunt smaller mammals like marmots, pikas and hares, which helps to control the population of these smaller animals. By keeping these populations in check, snow leopards prevent overgrazing, which can damage the fragile mountain vegetation and lead to long-term ecological consequences. The health of the entire ecosystem depends on the presence of snow leopards, as they help to maintain the natural order. When snow leopard populations decline, it can lead to an increase in prey animals, which can have a cascading effect on the environment. This can result in overgrazing, soil erosion, and a decline in biodiversity, ultimately weakening the resilience of the ecosystem. Their role as a top predator helps to keep the ecosystem healthy and resilient, ensuring that the natural processes continue to function smoothly. By ensuring the survival of the snow leopard, we are also protecting the countless other species that depend on these mountain ecosystems, preserving the intricate web of life that makes these regions so special. Section 4. Threats to a phantom. Challenges to survival. Despite their remarkable adaptability and elusive nature, snow leopards face an increasingly uncertain future. Many threats jeopardize their survival, and these majestic creatures are now classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN. This classification highlights the urgent need for conservation efforts. One of the most significant threats is poaching, which has devastating effects on their population. Snow leopards are hunted for their beautiful fur, which is highly prized in the illegal wildlife trade. The demand for their fur drives poachers to target these elusive cats. Their bones and other body parts are also used in traditional medicine in some cultures, further endangering their numbers. Habitat loss is another major challenge that snow leopards face. As human populations grow, they encroach on snow leopard territory, reducing the space available for these big cats to roam and hunt. Mining, infrastructure development and climate change all contribute to the degradation and fragmentation of their habitat, making it increasingly difficult for snow leopards to survive. As their natural prey becomes scarcer due to these changes, snow leopards are sometimes forced to prey on livestock. This often leads to conflict with local communities who may retaliate by killing the snow leopards to protect their animals. Such human-wildlife conflict further threatens the survival of this magnificent species. Section 5. Safeguarding the ghost conservation efforts. Protecting the snow leopard is a complex task that requires a multifaceted approach. Fortunately, numerous organizations and individuals are dedicated to ensuring the survival of this iconic species. Global initiatives like Project Snow Leopard are working to conserve snow leopards and their habitat. This project focuses on research, community engagement, and anti-poaching efforts. They work closely with local communities to reduce human-wildlife conflict and promote sustainable livelihoods. The Snow Leopard Trust is another organization dedicated to snow leopard conservation. They conduct vital research on snow leopard ecology and behavior, and they work to protect snow leopard habitat through land conservation and community-based programs. International agreements, such as the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, or CITES, provide legal protection for snow leopards by banning the international trade in their parts and products. Section 6. The elusive icon, interesting facts and cultural significance. Snow leopards are shrouded in mystery and intrigue, often referred to as the ghosts of the mountains due to their elusive nature. Their elusive nature has made them the subject of countless legends and folklore throughout their range, spanning from the Himalayas to the mountains of Central Asia. They are often seen as symbols of power, grace, and the untamed wilderness, embodying the spirit of the rugged landscapes they inhabit. In many cultures, the snow leopard is revered as a spirit animal or a guardian deity, believed to protect the high-altitude regions. Their image adorns temples, prayer flags, and traditional textiles, reflecting their deep cultural significance. They are often associated with wisdom, strength, and the ability to navigate challenging environments with ease and agility. Despite their fearsome reputation, snow leopards are generally not aggressive towards humans, preferring to remain elusive and avoid confrontation. In fact, there are very few documented cases of snow leopards attacking people, highlighting their preference for solitude. They are solitary creatures and prefer to avoid contact with humans whenever possible, often retreating to remote areas. Snow leopards have a unique vocalization that is often described as a high-pitched chirping sound, which is quite distinct. This is in contrast to the roaring sounds made by their larger cousins, the lions and tigers, making their communication unique. They use these chirps to communicate with each other over long distances, maintaining social bonds despite their solitary nature. Section 7, A Future for the Phantom. The future of the snow leopard remains uncertain, but there is hope. By raising awareness, supporting conservation efforts, and addressing the root causes of their decline, we can help to ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to roam the high mountains for generations to come. Protecting snow leopards also means protecting the vast, interconnected ecosystems they inhabit. These ecosystems provide vital services such as water regulation, carbon sequestration, and habitat for countless other species. The survival of the snow leopard depends on our collective action. By working together, we can ensure that the ghost of the mountains continues to inspire awe and wonder in the hearts of people around the world.